happy Holi and welcome back to my channel named called Katie Vlogs. Hope you're enjoying your Holi. Already played my Holi with my family, so now I'm waiting for my friends. And today I'm going to take you a beautiful place named called Lankvoku here in Diphu, Karbi, Anglong. Hope you'll enjoy my video. It's already 11:30. They are still not coming yet. It's very sunny day today. देखो पागल अभी आ रहा है. So we reach in मांझा. हम लोगों को डिफू से मांझा तक आना पड़ता है, फिर मांझा से थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है. Well, now we are at Manja Rongbong Hotel. Indian festival can't complete without sweets. So here I'm going to try the famous sweets of Indian festival or India from India. Here it is, the jalebi, most famous sweets in India.
Isn't that a giant jalebi?
Yeah, so big. Let's try. Yummy.
Oh yeah.
And this is my favorite sweet, gulab jamun. Cheers. Refilling the fuel now ताकि आते वक्त पेट्रोल की कमी ना पड़ जाए. So finally we are entering Lankvoku waterfall. Let's go. कार्बी आंगलोंग में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस है, पर इन रास्तों के कारण कोई भी नहीं आता.
You have to take an entry coupon.
Ticket for 2. Now enjoy the view. कैसे आते हैं?
ভাল লাগে না? Mua cái này là nghe. Đe. Yo timilai. Nepali country.
हिंदी देखो ना, हिंदी.
मैं की कर रहे थे? Ra, nada mira. Mos. Berhak. जा go thẳng. Wow.
lost in a few years, but
There's
just
no
let
hole
me in
in my
to
shoes, a
blame.
big
It's
hole
like
in
every
this
day
Lankvoku.
I'm kicking
This
back.
place is very nice
I
and
could
good for
fly away,
adventuring.
but you got
Hope
me
you
at
guys
a
enjoy my
complete
video
stop.
and like
How
my
do
video
you
here. Please like, share and
manage to keep
subscribe.
me
Bye bye. See
going?
you next
Somehow
video.
you keep